Okay, so we are going to create a calendar using MS Word. So you click on Control N for a new blank document, and then we are going to use the month of October since we are already in September. So I'm just typing 2024 calendar and then place this in the center of my document. And then because I want you to see it clearly, I'm going to bold this by right clicking or dragging it, Control A, then Control B for bold, and then underline it, and then go for the month of October as well. Now this is where the main dish happens. So after doing this, I'm going straight into the menu bar and click on Insert. I'm going for the table. I need 7 columns and then 6 rows, 7 representing the number of days. We have 7 days in the week, and then we have 6 rows. Now once I'm done, I'm going to identify each column for the respective day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then, since the month of October has 31 days, I'm going to distribute them effectively. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 7, 21. Plus 7, 28. Then I go backwards to add the rest. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We already have 14, so I go back to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We already have 21, so we go for 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, then 29, 30, 31. So October has 31 days. Now I'm going to highlight this because I do not want these lines on my calendar. So I'm going to highlight all the table and then make sure I take off the lines out of it. So in order to do this, I'm going to use the menu bar as well. So highlighting just the table, I need only the table and not the month of October. So I drag it from Monday down to Sunday, and then I go straight to my menu bar and look for layout. I click on layout, and then what I'm looking for, it's not here, so I go back and click on design. Then on my bottom right, my immediate right, we have page borders, but first let's go for the page color. Okay, let's go for page borders. The page borders is going to enable me take off these lines you're seeing, that is dividing the columns and the rows of the month of October. So I take that off. Once you click on page borders, you go for no border and you take it off. Then go to page color. Now I'll be inserting a picture background on this calendar, so I'll go straight to page color to insert the picture background. So kindly take note of what I'm doing. Page color, it's taking a little bit slow to respond, but then we'll get there. It's just a matter of time. So under the page color, you would see effects. You click on effects. It's not showing because of the screen recording I did here. You see effects, you click on effect and it take you to properties. You click on the last page which has the picture. You go and insert the picture from your gallery on your desktop. So I'll be inserting a picture here very soon. You're going to see that. Now once the picture pops up, because the picture has a brighter quality than the figures I've inputted here, what we are going to do is we are going to change the color of the font from black to white to make it suit the picture I'm going to place at the background. So in order for your calendar to be clear and visible, you have to take off any color you deem it fit that it might not show. You see, for the Tuesday column, the dates are not really showing. So I'm going to change the color from black to white, and also change the month of October from black to white. And then I'm going to change the whole days, the 7 days from Monday to Sunday. I'm going to change everything from black to white to make it suit a perfect calendar. So that's what we are doing. Yes, and finally we have it, but then we still do not want to see the white background, so we have to take that off. You simply highlight it, right click, and go to the color where you fill in the color. You take it off, no color, and then there you go, your color will be off, and then you have a plain background for your calendar. So this is what your calendar is going to look like. Let me know in the comment section if this video was useful. Of course, we've created an October calendar for the year 2024. Try this at the comfort of your home and let me see how best you were able to come out with this. Don't forget, sometimes you just have to highlight the weekend so you know that, oh, this is weekends, I do not have to go to work and all that. So I just decided to highlight my weekends red, and then my weekdays Monday to Friday, I chose that one to be white. Yes, and so that's it. I hope this video is useful. I'll be saving it on my desktop, and that's it. I'm done. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm definitely going to see you guys in another episode. Stay tuned and stay connected. Peace out.